In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to enable Messenger chat hits in Android. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your Messenger. Make sure you have already logged into your Messenger account. Now at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down. You can see the option of chat hits. You can see that I have already enabled my chat hits. You just have to tap on that icon in this way and it is enabled. This is very easy and simple process. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to enable Messenger chat hits in Android. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen and I will see you there.